zero wireless. It's I can use. Make sure.
Green.
Green mamba di.
Apo sonto ro bete ka introduction ne desa.
Okay, guys, so like today, I will keep say allowed to have Aisha. Hey guys, today we are announcing a new show. So we don't know the name so far. So like yeah, but then it's kind of a friends chat. I guess I don't know if it's a link, but then you let us know on the comments. So guys, Tom and Ivan, after to me. So when
I'm Lincoln. The famous Lincoln. Check my IG. Lincoln M.
okay, yeah, check my IG, Martin RSA.
Oh shit. My issue is 03.
Yeah.
But you have to introduce yourself, my
That's my intro.
Manango Nova specific. The audience want to know you more, my man.
They'll find more on my IG.
You have
Text
every
me.
information on your IG.
Yes.
Alright.
Paragraph mo ba yun? Singing.
That's really jump to wait. Irek mo na.
Okay, never.
Ni
Naman eh, simple eh. Lagi IG happen.
Introduce yourself, Oscar ko.
Oh, naging few. Instagram. Instagram. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I want to another announcement name Zanya or any suggested name ya need ka thomanga yon.
I know friends chat mo go tsa one.
When or remember.
I was thinking of something like itlo bang itlo bala vom
Something barat.
something like e chabi ya go ke re chabi
If dance.
no like friends and what like we all know like it's always there
But city friends.
yeah re nyaka something new like
Why nuka po?
so like re tlo are naganing something but then let's skip that one for another day so like today
The beginning.
so like today we are gonna focus on the main things. That's a baby. Okay, hi. Vavisha boy.
Akitse ibo kuthomeka.
Tomolo.
Honestly, mfana.
One hope you another. What's your favorite hope?
Hobby na go sa go letsa re be ke sene le yona. Be ke sa kwana le di hope ya bo. Be ke no heta ke no. Ha botse hope ke nda buta ma.
Yeah. Ubi ka mo tsenya. So jeretse.
Ke ndo ke rata. Ya botse it's the question.
Ish.
In the area nganchi.
Ganchi.
Ora ta mo iri.
Ke botse ke ndo ke rata na. So ke hobby. Yeah, I was in negative or so because like no like I'm so keen.
Okay.
As
Mabele kano.
Okay, go.
No, that's like Bujish.
Awo andi.
Sport as a whole.
Kila la roho begin to loro area.
On your free time.
Sleeping, eating.
Reading books.
Yeah.
Ish.
Hey, one hope you.
Na hope ya ka ke reading. Study.
Reading.
Study.
Balance.
School, college.
Wala di school.
Ke bala di book. Ke rata study sha botsent like because of like in most cases like Ibo Mariansky like ka study sha dilo bia.
Okay. Na hope ya ka ke. Karata dishes. The dishes. I wash dishes. I wash dishes. That's my hobby. Everybody really gets to wash it. Like on my spare time, like washing dishes. That's my hobby. Why? I'm introvert. I got the back. I'm introvert. That's something.
Aki extrovert.
Oh, sarata ba?
I got the back.
Kera war extra hanki ya ability.
Introvert, ahorrate.
That's why this is really phobia. Introvert. Rather indoors.
Understandable. Ishmela azi beho.
Jaga change.
You mentioned.
Kamu kan ada.
Hmm.
Kagak gue gerata sleepy. Ini boleh jadi ngomong.
Abza hope ya get sleepy.
Ya, gerata ya, jadi dia. I fresh. Para sleeping number. Noroba like Janet. Ya, begitu kamu dia ya.
When I hope you are going.
La phobia ko la pa le no gore kera.
Bukan lu boleh lah saya kan hobi lagi ngabu.
Hobi handle lagi.
Asa ikita ka hope. Hope ya right.
Kar kia no go explain ari.
Chinya na reti hope ya butsa ke.
Ya na gitu.
Ya, kino ka
Marangpan aga zero la.
Mari giri kila.
Worry on your free, into we react on your free time. When I lap on your free time.
Lu beri ke mau satu.
Ari ya bere ke kana go.
Ya.
Oh no, we just work.
No, guys, ke mapegi, batho ba ke mapegi, a gona nte botse ba ya.
Luar nena.
Mara ke bolla magante. Ke bolla ma. Ya.
Okay, go buce mafalo kashi.
Ka thoma ka kati.
Okay, toma ka boy. What's your best advice you ever get from someone? Advice you will want to create your best thing.
Eh? I would get in school.
Man Rotanasko, the best. What's that?
Oh, okay, no rare. Kanu sonje ibe.
Masih ni kami cule kama satu advice. Apa yo kau sana story sih udah mau bocor soalnya sih.
Kanu sonje ke la advice ko.
Agree your best.
You must live on it.
Right.
Rike na. Gara yo na advice ta watu wagiti.
Then
Mari ke no ya school.
no, but then as for the advice, I feel like it's just like, do you know, it's energy, you come because like, I don't know, what you
E lo gore ke sa mila so ke re ke o tsena school. Sa mila.
You got pass your advice, you choice. Unora school so was a nyaki. No
Ah,
more.
well, that's advice. In the hour, no, I want to
Nyaka nyishme.
We are on set, bro.
Rari.
No, excuse, we're gonna cut this one. We recut.
Yeah.
Like,
Enggak bro, rescue.
excuse me.
My friend, next
So
question.
this one
Okay,
was
advice rescue.
advice
Advice
like
na ke ga botsaki advice ya mo kere
because
ka mpona ke
no
bona.
bolela go kodumela mo epa thutse go ne le humelo jwa go house ke advice ke le
Good way.
ke mang advice ke re kodumela
Okay.
go ne le humelo
What's one thing you're passionate about
big I'm passionate about
outside work? I got
ke challenge. I just want money and yeah, everything will fall.
Na age question. Na ke understand.
Una gala go shit's
Iba.
Na re nyako tseba
What's one thing
I'm passionate about
Passionate
money.
about-
outside work?
Kana shtuno bereka or mero go
making money.
yeah, money
Yeah,
period.
making money.
Now I'm very passionate.
About what?
I'm just very passionate.
Kang.
Kang.
Wa botšiša kana o.
Yeah,
you can't-
what?
Say we're not passionate.
What's
no
one
such-
thing?
You're passionate about?
Passionate things.
Yinye?
passionate ntse.
We don't understand.
Sanure.
We don't understand.
Passionate ntse.
Maybe ko re rena sekgowa sa re se go swana.
Ah, oye, ayo.
Yo,
Ah,
ana ke tsere ka.
o tirietso.
ne ya passion kgopolo e tsega ke tse passion.
I was passionate game about. Drop it on the comment section. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Second one. So second one. Second question. What's your secret talent?
Talente a pele question tse
Ke secret wow.
ba ke re ni go ntse bo re ga botse o buka tse diso na ntse nna secret talent ka ke etse
Wa pele duro sa ke mapudi.
ora re moseno re a jile tse se mo molao
Sa ke mapudi.
Agree legal.
Ke secret.
Okay, I got a mukuya.
Yeah.
Thems. Okay. What's your go-to karaoke song? Some to karaoke.
karaoke
Ndaro ga iriya wa
ba yo pe
Koshio ka itula.
King.
wa e thome ke mo.
a botse nna mso ka re tse dino nthoma ka nna botse ke thatela shebe wa mona shebe ya marata yeah when you're currently this one is trending very king and motionina she's ngimalo gona ma ratolaka ile ya mathomo re bese la mathomo ile
Karaoke.
ke go bona ke ya ga pelo ya ka yona ikiwa ka mata o a o tseba ke
Very.
Ke bese yone.
ke re continuation
Correct.
Little best.
skoma totla felletse
Okay, jwale go tla nna.
yebo
Nna ke rata just go Wiz Khalifa,
no we don't mind
bo Rick Ross, Lil
just
Wayne.
because nna ke rata shebo no tshwana mo ka jano
Ba re ke mang wa baby Kanye West.
Kwa baby.
Ba rone baby.
Kanye West
Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian wa pela khanteo
Okay, ke rata Jonah J. We just having fun. We never who see and honor and life and free. Ne ke rata e. Letse. Ke ingin na we. King. Asa kanyo.
Yeah.
Ke rata yo.
no to ropela ja batsong ka mo are mo
Pini mayang.
No ropela.
Yeah, man.
Ya
Pini
pani
mayang
mayang ka. Marka karaoke night re tlo go ifa ba di mama bona.
Mara o rata tsa Mazulu no.
Ah, no, grata tsa.
Are bere ke.
Une saya zure.
Ri.
Ropela.
Re karaoke.
Ah, wait.
Re ka se go tlalele yona bothata wa tsa tlo ba. A tlo re copyright.
Oh, sanje ke cu.
Sanje itu. Agro voice ba ba itse.
Asiya ba ya ito.
Wala chuhi po ya ka ara mo drop. Chuha pe yo na era.
Kanire.
yo
Abigail pe. Ano. Yerenka.
other day na le packs no be am skip on lo flo is tja go juma le fast
Mfano unya ko real
I
le.
be absorb a lot of sound it on
Utomje. One this population. Zureka. Kazimba. Fire. Ya, ki rata temur. Barba e tropa ka fight. Subscribe Saga RSA.
Wa misbehave. Sanje ba subscribe mo.
Oh, iki.
we are in
Subscribe Martin RSA YouTube. Subscribe, like, and comment and share.
Right. Are karaoke kulle beje question.
O karaoke ne. Na flop di rata khonu do opela mo.
Babala joza ondo sa yarati.
Baba boy.
Well, ba rekile di-pamper.
What's
Hape ngwana o monya ko opela.
Mapela.
Kan ke rata ya mang.
up? Sana.
Ke sana.
Really scan. Ijawabo.
Ela yanye ke uncinga ke khone yo phela mna. Ke rata yona uncinga mina.
Ngeke ngikuthenge.
Ba utengo kana ba re.
Nyama.
Amaskandi.
Maskan.
Yobe.
Akukhona ba re muncingi.
Ngikhan gama la yona akuyona.
Uzini ba re uncinga unyoko.
Shuwa.
I wanna play right.
Yo ya gana.
Oke ngosi singelele. Ano mabose.
Ito.
Ke national anthem. Mare ke sware.
Wa irate ba.
Ke karaoke khone yo phela.
Masifio ena.
Ah, pele kwa Africans ndele ya one paragraph.
Ke 4 lines.
Online.
Gegerbet.
O gegerpep.
Mm.
Oh, ore.
Gegerbet. Atikrasi.
One from sie. Ete kam suka. Au.
Yeah.
Yeah, what
Buchea kwashi.
No.
Wane game nyo kurubukisha. Ukana kupela advice rito fonyaka.
Yeah, nagini advice.
Wala advice uma.
Kirauro kinyaka
Unyaka
uwapa
advice.
advice.
Urre mo fa advice, o fa
Kinyaka
advice.
advice.
Oh.
Tata mara mari.
Utata kinye bule.
What if I record?
Aya record ako.
Ya pigre sa record estu baba.
Arko
Advice. Ndu.
Kinyaka advice ya.
Au, kirauro like akirna agne mot. Vale, kinyaka advice or mutunga mkocha wang.
Misha ke mot.
Buchan.
Gape like motho a happy apo go ba sengela go.
Ake hate ga botse. Swantse ke khotse
o nyaka
motho.
motho.
Ruale.
Moro ka nyaka motho se.
Yeah, men's clinic.
Kere wa.
Ale jo.
Lori ya men's clinic.
Agora já o yepin.
Gamba.
Pero
Raga ragine mugini da motor kubulele ena ke share dilo.
Le na
Eh,
like
social worker
share.
go.
mrena o tsale ke shimonni.
oh nyaka ja dating.
Zawucabuza le.
Ya ga pse go no rona o nyaka o qabuso tlo hlore go tsoro o nyaka.
Ya, gabutse ke hlokan.
Ai ga bona kwa iphintombeni kwa tlase ku.
Ai, athoska tlo.
Yo ke solution ya advice.
Ya
Ma palelo re mo fa eo.
Ake no fe advice ke tla go botsa
Oh,
gore ke
thoma fa
pale.
advice.
Go fa advice.
Ah,
Na advice nga go fa yona mmata ko ra tsore ke.
we konya sa.
Just try to work on yourself upon.
Yeah.
On. When you work on yourself upon, like what don't itlela, you just so within a feature wa ba sharp or ba fresh.
Ba tlo itla. Sonje kriem ba le so
Apo itlela so just o hlape, o be clean. O be clean each man, o tlogele papage. Ba tlo go nyaka bo dineo shiba.
O tlole ka Ingram.
Ka gane, ka ngane.
E mone ya go hlapa ka sunlight ke yone e riang gore ba ska itlela.
Ingram.
Ke nyaka ke hlape ka mo.
A ngena le sa o tla.
Ya protect.
Yena ke ra tlole ka yo.
Protect
Nyaka protect ma.
life. Da ba fresh Kenya ni fela kape.
Uranganda ho. Ifela ka.
Ahora tu ri.
Ama Kenya.
A o pe ya register sa face le sa body.
Mna po go hlapa maximum ke 3 mo weekeng.
Maxima. Wena ke ya ga ke.
Nna ke bolela ka ya.
Muswene ko yena luti la rena e la ile ra re fetsi 350 se re hlapa fela o 72
Out of 300. 92.
70 90. It depends. Re mo
Le half
bekeng.
haufi a o iri.
A ke re ka kwa ka weekend re hlabile o mawa 4 4 5.
a ebile o intele wese o beke o hlapa gabedi e re weekend gona wa off duty a re bereke
It's get off.
So well advice re hodije. Work on yourself. Skincare routine.
Hlapa,
Bereka. Work
hlapa
hard.
ngwana.
and work on yourself ka ra di-brackets gore o hlape
That's the
It's a
biggest
challenge.
one.
Work hard. Work hard.
challenge.
O tloga fro.
gape le one go nyaka
Smell
motho
the beans. Okay. Smell the coffee.
o nyaka motho o se le tšhalete
And le tja go ja di-account hona mo.
Ka-
Re reka je tja go ja o je.
nna ke rata ya mae le sausage.
Damn, Ishmael, damn, uja bose mosweng.
Jamna.
Uja mnate.
Ito ko siya lang po. Jamna. Ya joy.
a re ke ja tee mogane
Joy.
Joy.
Yeah, o tloga fro kwa work hard.
Mm.
Just wake up and work hard.
Work hard ye gabotse ke eng ka reno.
I don't know work hard. When you
Ke
wake up,
lapisha ba ke
when you wake up, you work hard every day. Smell the coffee.
Ga botsa tsa tja go advise tje, di tlo re palela cause of like le rena we are not on the levels of
Advertising.
a o suka mato
zerna social worker le ma.
At santse re tswala ma first para.
ka lente
Video sa rena se ne window cafe.
tsantse ke attend di-blind date ka tla ka go tja mo.
Te baba jo re wena o nyaka blind date, bang o nyaka date, o rata matsonga. Like no ke example. A extra ke go expose.
Ba tla tla bang
ya
Zureka.
next blind date ke nna mo a ke tsebe o tla be ke le mang ka time.
Yeah,
Go sa
like
wena
ngano
comment.
mfana o singile guys. La mona ro nya ka motho ka phe. O na le rap. He's a lover boy. He's a lover boy this one.
matsongane lavo
Le girlfriend ala wa skate. Yeah.
Wena advice sa rena wa di.
Di reng ga.
re work on yourself
Self means me. First narrative. Narrate.
First person.
narration
I.
Ai.
If I narrate.
Ya ke ya. Ke
Me papa you take it.
But what to comment.
My you want to.
zero tare
What is it there?
Ke ma ish at outre.
work on yourself in which you are
O ka ba passionate. You will achieve a lot with the Vaseline.
Ah, ba silile banna
Body
ba.
count you increase.
Bona ba silile jwang ka mo guys ka mo garo. Re ke ba
Ba le ba
silile.
etlalele. Ene ga mix.
Ke mix up.
Yeah, but get white and yellow. Body count you okay, John.
Ka big tente.
I grew John with them thing. 2 sometimes.
Au.
aija
Baba fit the. Mon ba ba aftens.
na ka bona se
O surrender.
Ka yone.
Number 1.
like focus ya pele ba di off lape
Chaba.
Baby. I grow one. Lo bona ba. Kwa ga lo go. Mo ke pai. Kwa wa twele le magama le. Wa ja. E re butse question mo mo.
Question.
re ke ritse ngwapo
Oh. Question.
No, Ishmael ane o serious. O tshone ba. Ga botse mpe
Ya ngwanolo.
Mane bothata ke eng? Bothata ke eng mane? Ma go letsa. Santse re tla re lebelle go le ga botse. Ka ra botse re tlo ba le bothata. Go ne bo serious.
Ka manager guys.
No.
Ka manager.
A go le bo serious.
Money.
A go le bo serious.
Studio
Motho road.
Studio manager.
Juno road manager wa le mosweng. No, like a go ne bo serious. Batho ba hloka go re santse re lebelle le boto gore go tlo go be bo serious. Go nyola ba lebeletse batho ba fetang ka mo outside.
No re focus question.
Oh, question ne. Question na mtse ke botšang ke botšiša specifically ke lebeletse ne malelo wa bona. Question e no go simple question. Ke yo hedi ke bona mo TikTok wa botšiša ba no test or IQ ya go ya bereka na.
Teacher, one question 6
No, question na tsare e ntsampo.
IQ.
Ke ya go test IQ nya ne ya gore ya bereka na. So like dintlo tse ke tse itere wa bona ke ne dintlo tse itere. Dintlo tse itere. Ke a jwang o etsa o mtsa ba jwang a ke ngakolo wa majwang. O mo planka a ke lo a Lo Maseng. I get it. Maseng
Rufo
is
ke maplanka.
Rufan.
Mokhufu,
You know ba
mokhufu.
mokhufu. So yeah, so ka mo. Hey, so son. Ambulance ya. Ay fihlo ko yo thoma go tima o mofe.
Go mo ba.
Yo thoma go tima mo ba. Ambulance.
Ambulance I I got a man ambulance na da yi kya ba ta ga wow. Inya kan tekin wa go
Ba lo iga bo ke jago puchiso ya gagate.
Ya tima ambulance.
Iti mama to. Wa.
No, ne aiki ya go ke hudi jore ya bereke
Isha.
coding.
E ba lo ibo. Na ke nyagoro ya ke symbol ya go ke telele tsana. Na ke nyagoro uno pronounce letter B without the lip city touch. The lip city ska touch. The po di ska touch.
E tla kgonega pa go.
Di try.
Ngwanaka.
A kgonega.
Empa le
Gone era nose B.
Hmm?
B double E. Ke nose ya. E real lip city ska khwata.
Oh, mata a kgonega. Mata a kgonega. E. Wa bona e kgone E a kgonega.
All right. So guess this lo my next month.
So next since which is something
Tangible.
tangible, which means expense is
Abana lo wish mun.
next is something go tobele ngwanyana atla o mo mature atla re
Ara advice.
advice a re fe advice
Mm.
na rena re mo advice
You advise jam.
we need a life advice I feel like we don't
Enya social work.
Mate mo o le pro advise ja ba di mo fase.
Yar shi nya kom bro.
Ao me bo o chale na tla mbote ka chale.
Anta go advice ka tsala. Aka go ja forex mo.
Ao dumele. Ke chale.
Okay. So which one is the next?
Ao mo lo mo sharp. Lo ngesa to le ndo make sense.
Okay.
Imbaya ke mo.
Mauta le banyaki.
ba fresh.
Mo lwena.
Ana ke fresh. Go rega skincare. Skincare. Serious skincare routine bro. In the morning, during the day, and in the evening.
I don't know Siri wa sha.
Hey, I get to me kiriya maslap chip.
I want to tasa tinji just
Yeah, why?
Ore ke wai.
In your face.
Yo ja rege score over ka pushore. Okay, so when ba laile mo last weeks.
last week nka e bolelang gore guys le re subscribing le re thušeng le re fentše idea mo
Subscribe.
le subscribing re fentše idea mo le re thušeng gore like ke startup se re no testa like
Mic test, mic test.
nothing serious here so like
Mic test, mic test.
ra test the next time re tlo ba serious re tlo bitša batho ba ba serious
So guys, like, share and subscribe.
subscribe ngwanaka
So
Labone lo
deme
bono.
ke Thursday
ba re ka europe go ne se
Yeah.
yeah man.
What's this really special?
special o yone
Jwale.
Say you got box. I'll show you.
o ne se kwa ke le o ne special ke special ke
Yeah.
o ne special ba re corona
Ba re go tla
savana bo ma choko go
O tla mo.
ba re go tla kharima
O ne ma.
go jane
I'm telling you. Names. Okay guys, announcement there.
announcement no ya le jaji no bora
Awe gona check mo phone. Ntho la mo gona o e romela ke announcement.
Gore kae propaganda gore kae?
E tsene ka.
Europa ngwanaka.
Announcement tsena ka mo.
Tsona
Chacho.
mochacho.
Ke re ke tsene.
O fihlile modimane wa di-vesta. Ke swere matla, ke swere le diphete.
Ke ntho la mo. Ngola mo godimo.
Ke neile ngwanaka se ke wa fela ka tshepo. O tsebe gore
Ngola gore
ano mosebile ka ma
ngola re hlako.
a fe le
Tsena ka.
ngwanaka.
Gane ba re ke Europa.
Yeah. She announcement.
Tloseho ke ya ma ya announcement ke gore di 27 announcement gore di 27 tsa kgwedi ya lewage e le go September 2025 a re kopaneng ga hlako guys re tla be re le on a first annual spring festival re na le a secret artist o yetla re sto mana on ntshe within a due
Just
time
the artist.
check line up e matla yetla 27 September 2025 hlako first annual festival spring
Free entry.
free entry
Cooler box 50 rand.
a re kopaneng fa o bagalajo mo sellago
Swimming pool available.
swimming pool gona di-room di gona e bana a go tlhokege selo guys
Le MC ya ma 2K. Gore ke mang?
nna le tsebe mo
015 host Thames.
la be re le gona re na bana ba di-camera lefao re bea
Yes,
mehlekele ka
yes,
moka.
yes. Yes. An
A theme
unforgettable day and music entertainment.
Re theme reng?
Theme maina ka mararo. Spring day shades and shots. Ke drag shades and shots. Shades and shots. E ke three ways.
gape enta re bale mo
Okay, gona ke shades, shots, some.
ke theme
No, slide.
no slides
Shades, shots,
Slide.
slides, Thames.
maina ke a mararo
Food and drink available, slot available. Contact us to book your slot. DJ.
Yeah, and transport available. Contact me.
ai cheisha
Okay. Get available. What can get announcement?
yabo
No, sharp. Team, mamu.